Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Today it is very important topic and we are going to start our series on network security. So the first topic which I have chosen today for the ACL, standard ACL and extended ACL. ACL is nothing, it is just like a filter. We are going to filter out some traffic, okay? So which traffic need to be allowed, which traffic need to be blocked. So today we will see how we can apply the standard ACL. I mean how we can configure the standard ACL. So as you know, we have two type of ACL, standard ACL and extended ACL. Standard ACL always we used to apply closest to the destination, and extended ACL always applied closest to the source. So before going to discuss the theoretical point, first of all we will configure the standard ACL today, and I will show you how you can block the traffic from the specific PC. Let's say we have this scenario. In this scenario we have two network, 192.168.1.1 network. We have a web server which is 1.5, and the other network is this side. Our network is 2.0. Let me write it here clearly: 192.168.2.0/24 network, and in between we have 192.168.3.0/30 network. So it is a pre-configured topology. So the scenario is, so we want to deny this PC should not able to access this 1.0 network. 1.0 network, it should not able to access this network, okay? So how we can block this PC? So where to apply this ACL, standard ACL? Today we are going to configure the standard ACL. So this standard ACL is near to the closest to the destination, because we want to block this PC. This PC should not able to access this network. Yeah, so we will apply this ACL on this router. Okay, let me click it here and then we can start configuring our ACL. So go to the router. Let me increase the font size first. Here go to the options, and at least you can see the font. It should be, let's say, 14. Okay, 14. Apply, and this one. Okay, now I will use the font size 14. So access list here, first of all you need to go to the config mode, configure terminal, and then write access list. So let's say access list number 10, and we are going to deny the source. Okay, so which is the source? This one is the source, this host is the source. Okay, so you can give the number in between. For standard access list you can give a number between 1 to 99. This is your standard access list, and for extended ACL it start from 100 to 199. So in this tutorial we are going to configure standard ACL in this video, and the next video we will use the extended ACL as well. So standard ACL you can give any number in between 100 to 99. So let's say I will give 10, and then which host we need to block? This host need to be blocked, this one. Okay, so the IP address of this host is 2.11. so host 192.168.2.11. so we are going to block this host. Okay, sorry, access list 10, deny host. Which host? This host. Let me make it here. So this host. Okay, now it is clear. 192.168.2.11, and this one. So it means we are going to deny, block this host not able to access this network when we will apply near to the destination, closest to the destination. So other than this, all traffic should be allowed. Access list, other PCs, here we have the other PCs as well. Let's say this PC, and we can connect other PCs, so other PC should be allowed. Access list 10, and permit any, all other are allowed, permit. So now we have configured this ACL. Now if you want to see the configuration, just write do show run, and then we will see this configuration somewhere here. You can see now this is our access list, then deny host. This is the host which we have block and other, then this all are allowed. Now we will apply this ACL near to the destination. It means this closest to this destination. So which interface we need to configure, this one or this one? So we will configure on gigabit 00 interface. So now go to the interface gigabit 0/0 and apply this ACL IP access list access group 10. And so here we have two options, inbound or outbound. So we are going to filter this traffic, this interface or this interface. So we are going to, once it will exit the interface, so we will filter out, okay, after routing. So 10, so no, yeah, outbound. Now we have configured and we apply this access list on this interface. Now I just want to show you how we did it. Do show run. Now you can see here, so we apply this access list on this interface, okay, and we block this PC. This PC, it will not able to access this network. Now we can try go to this PC and try to access the network. Let's say, just let me write a ping 192.168.1. Let's say 10. Now you can see destination host is unreachable. We can try with the other server as well. Now you can see destination host is unreachable. So we cannot access this destination. Now we can try from the other PC. Let's see, can we access ping 192.168.1.5. Now you can see we can access, the reply is coming. You can see the ping is successful. So this is the standard ACL we have configured in this video, and I hope you understand this topic about the standard ACL, and this video is very much informative for you. Please like the video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you inshallah in next video. I will make it regarding extended ACL. Thank you.